A viewer wrote in with a very specific question, and I've got to head upstairs to the second floor of the shop to answer it. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill. Now, if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. This is a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. So the question was, how do I determine the pitch of my roof? And to do that, you've got to go up in the attic where you have access to the underside of your roof and to a roof rafter. Now the formula is an easy one. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So here we are in the attic of the shop. We're looking at a rafter right here. So you only need two tools to determine pitch, and that's a good level like this level here, and you need a tape measure. So this is what you do. You take your level, all right, and you want the end of your level to rest up against your roof, okay? And once it's resting up, you want to make certain that it's level. So our level is level, and you have to be certain that your level is level as well. Because if it's just slightly off, it can throw your numbers off drastically. Here's what you do. Generally, you're going to have to hold your level in place, but we've got a support here, and that's why I'm able to do it kind of freehand. You want to hook your tape measure to the back of the level, all right? Our 12-inch mark here, our 1 foot mark, where I've got that little hash mark, that is our run. Now we're going to determine our rise, okay? So we take our tape measure and we're going to rest it right against our run line. That's what that is. And we're going to measure from here to here. That's going to tell us what our rise is. And our rise is 5 inches. So we know that we have a 5/12 pitch. I got to tell you, that second floor of the shop was hot and dusty. And I'm so glad to be downstairs in the main section of the shop. So our roof is a 5/12 roof. Remember, 12 inches of run, that's horizontal, and in our case, 5 inches vertical, that's the rise, which gives us the 5/12. But keep in mind that the higher the number, the steeper that roof becomes. So a 10/12 roof would be a pretty steep roof. Now, next time you're in the hardware store and you hear somebody say, I've got a 5/12 roof, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.